So, pag-usapan natin ngayon ang tungkol sa sequence. So, pag sinabi natin sequence o a number sequence or a sequence itself is a list of numbers having a first number, a second number, a third number, and so on called the terms of the sequence. So, kapag sinabi natin sequence, ito yung mayroon dapat first number, second number, and third number. So, ang tawag dito sa mga numbers na ito is the terms. Example natin, meron tayo ditong 1, 3, and 5. Yung 1 is what we call the first number or the first term. Yung 3 is the second number or the second term. And yung 5 is the third number or the third term. Now, meron tayong dalawang klaseng sequence, the finite sequence and the infinite sequence. Kapag sinabi natin finite sequence, a sequence having a finite number of terms or meron siyang eksaktong number of terms. Example, 1, 3, 6, and 9. So, eksakto lang yung given natin. So, walang nadagdag doon kay 9. So, nagsimula siya kay 1, tapos nagtapos siya doon kay 9. While the infinite sequence naman, a sequence that has an infinite number of terms. Example, 1, 3, 6, and 9. Same pa rin doon sa given sa infinite. Pero ang pinagkaiba niya is meron siyang tatlong dot doon sa hulihan. Which is, ang ibig sabihin nun ay ellipsis. Kapag sinabi pag meron ng given natin na ellipsis, ibig sabihin may susunod pa doon sa last na number na nakalista. Example, doon sa 9, may susunod doon kay 9. Tapos yung sumunod doon kay 9 ay may susunod pa, which is walang katapusan. Kaya tinawag siyang infinite number of terms. So, yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa, in short term, pero lang kapag sinabi natin finite, walang tatlong dot sa hulihan. Kapag naman infinite, may tatlong dot sa hulihan. Now, it's your turn. So, determine whether each set is finite or infinite. So, example number 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20. Tapos number 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And number 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then tatlong dot and 10. So, share your answer in the comments below.